Hey everybody, it's time for another episode of Out for the Trash. Today we have a Clearwater Mist 8.6 kayak. You know, like a lake kayak, you know, calm water kayak. That's what I'm looking for. It was out for the trash. You can see it's been sitting, quite dirty. The seat is broken. Let's come on over here to the seat. The seat is broken, but the seat is available. So, and then this cord here, I do believe is just broken, just needs to be retied. It does need a new kayak pole for the back because it's broken. I think I'll just make a piece of wood. Probably get online and find a new seat for it. Kind of already looked, the seat's like $30. This is like a $300 kayak on the internet. So there you go. The valve is open. There's a little bit of water in there, and underneath it doesn't look like there's any cracks or anything. So there you go, another episode of Out for the Trash. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm doing on my videos.